TikTok has finally been banned in the United States. But don't worry, just use a VPN so you can still enjoy TikTok even though it has been banned in your country. No need to use any app, just follow these steps. Open your browser, then visit the racevpn.com website, the link I put in the description. Once you are here, choose any country but not the United States. For example, Singapore. Next, fill in the username and password. Skip the CAPTCHA. And click Create Account. Once you have an account, note down the server address, username, and password for the next process. Next, go to your Android settings, open the Connections menu, tap Advanced Connection Settings, select the VPN feature, and create a new VPN profile. Fill in the VPN profile name as you wish, while for the server address, username, and password, fill in what you get. Also check Always On VPNs, save, then turn it on immediately. At this point, you have successfully used VPN. Before you can use it, long tap your TikTok app icon, then open the app info. Tap on storage, then clear cache. Now for proof, open your TikTok app, and voila, enjoy your TikTok app again. Hopefully this video is useful, and thank you for watching.